Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your Apple TV no signal HDCP HDMI error. So here's a guide for your display and cable troubleshooting. Fix 1. Reseat or replace the HDMI cable. Unplug both ends of your HDMI cable, then firmly plug them back in. Try a different cable, which can be your ultra high speed for HDMI 2.1, premium high speed for HDMI 2.0. Older or specific cables fail to carry a stable HDCP protected signal properly. Fix 2. Confirm the correct HDMI input is selected. Verify the TV source matches the HDMI port connected to the Apple TV. Try starting on HDMI 1, which often reserves higher bandwidth on many TVs. Fix 3. Force a new video resolution. On Apple TV 4K or HD, hold menu and volume down together for 5 seconds. On Apple TV 2nd or 3rd gen, hold menu and up together for 5 seconds. The device will automatically cycle resolution modes every 20 seconds. Press OK to select a working resolution once a picture is displayed. Fix 4. Bypass your HDMI switch or AV receiver. Connect your Apple TV directly to your television instead of switch or receiver. If a direct connection displays a picture, the intermediate receiver is causing the issue. HDCP handshakes often fail across extra inline devices even if both ends are compliant. Fix 5. Match dynamic range and frame rate settings. Go to settings and then select video and audio. Select Match Content on your Apple TV dashboard. Turn off Match Dynamic Range or Match Frame Rate to prevent formatting drops. Disabling these options often intermittent no signal flickers during format switching. Fix 6. Power Cycle Apple TV. Unplug the power cord from Apple TV. Wait for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This forces Apple TV through a completely fresh hard system boot cycle. It reinitiates a clean modern HDMI or HDCP handshake directly with the TV. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.